Beautiful car, got new tires.
Taking out the old grill, putting in a new one.
This is the old grill. Kinda ugly, it's okay. We're gonna fix her up real good. Now, what's the verdict? Do we need to take the whole bumper off?
Haven't gotten that far yet.
Hello, welcome back to Carrie Fixes Cars, a series where I do a bunch of car work, except that I don't. Andrew does everything. Yay! This is my car. So the windshield wiper fluid here. That's the dipstick, and then you put it in there to check the oil, right? Oh, you just put the dipstick in there. Yeah, you just put the dipstick right in there.
Sorry.
And this is the engine. It's a 4-cylinder.
6-cylinder.
6-cylinder. Kind of my baby. As you can see, I know a lot about cars, so if you have any questions, just drop them down below and I'll try and answer them best I can.
Brought you some coffee. Bumper's coming off. Woo! You need my little fingers in there?
Great.
While Andrew is out there working on the car, I'm gonna take care of this mess that's in our sink.
This is what we're dealing with. And now it's a nice, clean sink. Update, bumper is off the car. Woo! Smile for the camera. All laid out, but super backlit, but you get the idea. Hold up your bumper that you took off. My bumper.
Your bumper.
What? That's not a bumper? Hold up the grill. There it is.
Put it on the bumper.
The before, and then we'll do the after. Get it. Good girl.
It is time for our workout. There's Andrew. He's working hard over there already. I'm doing back and buys. Andrew, you're doing? Legs. I haven't done back and buys in a while, so this is gonna hurt. I have zero energy right now, but I'm frozen, and that's motivation to move. Because if I move, maybe I'll get warm.
Perfect. Perfect.
Well, it snowed last night. It looks so pretty.
Good morning. There is still a ton of snow outside. As you can see, it's starting to kind of blow away, but it maybe will snow a little bit more today, maybe sleet, hoping it's snow. And it's so pretty out, and today is the day off, so I am in a better mood. And I'm definitely gonna get a workout in today. I think it's gonna be more cardio based, but haven't decided. It kind of depends on when I do it. Like if I do it after lunch, it'll be a lifting workout because otherwise I'll throw up. But if I do it before lunch, then we'll make it cardio. All depends on how I'm feeling. And that's the fun part about not actively being on a plan right now, is that I can make the workout whatever I want it to be. I am getting ready to do a cycling workout on this bike. I really love my bike. It's a Schwinn IC4, and I got it actually at Dick's Sporting Goods because they were running a sale. But it was such a good deal, and I use it all the time. And sometimes I just use it for warming up, and sometimes for my whole workout. So today I'm gonna use it for my entire workout, and I'm using Apple Fitness Plus, which I love. It has cycling, Pilates, yoga, dance workouts. It has so many different exercises. It has strength, HIIT workouts, meditation. So it has like anything you could want. I do the cycling workouts a lot, so I usually filter by how long I want to work out. Today I want to do a 20-minute bike workout because I'm so out of shape. I can only handle 20 minutes because it's literally that hard. So I filtered it by 20 minutes, and then I love Tyrell, so I usually just like look through and see if I haven't done a Tyrell workout recently, which I haven't done this one. Tyrell Pure Dance, let's do it. As you can see, it's absolutely killer.
I do have a good support system though. Her name is Naya. She chills in her bed while I work out.
Okay, it is literally so bright and beautiful up here now. I mean, look at the light that is coming in through these windows. Loving it. So I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the beautiful bright sun and read a book for 30 minutes because that's something that I wanted to do today. So I'm gonna do it now while the beautiful light is coming in. When you go to have a nice relaxing read and your Kindle is dead. Dead.
Naya's not happy that I'm leaving her. Are you sad? You want me to stay? You're so pretty. Yes, you are.
A while ago, I took a few peaches and I cut the pit out and they're sprouting. I know this kind of looks gross, but you put a little bit of water and you keep them in the fridge, and 2 of them sprouted, which I'm so excited about. So the other one, I'm not sure if he's going to survive, but 2 sprouted because I kept 3 just in case. So I'm gonna plant them and see if they live and they grow, because then I'll have a peach tree, I guess. I'm gonna plant them in a small pot though at first, and I need to get some soil because I don't have any right now. But once I do that, then I'm gonna just grow them inside until the spring, and we'll see what happens, and hopefully I'll have like a little peach tree. Wouldn't that be so fun?